There is a very big possibility that you are a creator on YouTube, but you don't even know what really is YouTube and how YouTube works and how to get more views on YouTube. I don't know if you're getting me. Whether you're an old creator, a new creator, that is a very big possibility. But in this video, I want to break it down. I want to break it down. I want to teach you YouTube like an 8-year-old baby. I want to use a practical aspect and lecture you on YouTube so that you will understand what YouTube is all about and the reason why you are making content and who you are making your content for. So that whenever you want to post a video, you will know that I know what YouTube actually means. So that is what I'm going to do today. If you skip this video, there is a very big possibility that you will still be jumping from pillar to post, trying to understand how you will get more views. But understanding YouTube first, the basics of content creation and YouTube will help you to understand every other thing you are going to learn or every other thing somebody is teaching you if you understand the basics. So now let us start. What is this? This is water. Are you understanding me now? I want everything to be practical, so pay attention. This is table water. I want to show you how you can use this table water and understand what YouTube actually means so that you won't be jumping from pillar to post. I don't know if you're getting me. Now, the company that is producing this table water is you. That is you creating your content. Then this table water is the content that we are talking about. The only contribution YouTube is doing for you is just 20%. You are 80% responsible for every result that you are getting now on YouTube. I don't know if you're getting me. The only contribution YouTube is doing for you is 20%. And what is the 20%? Taking this, your content, which is this water, to the right audience, to the people that want to purchase it. That is the only thing YouTube is doing for you. The channel you created belongs to you. The content belongs to you, which means you are the producer of this. Everything belongs to you. YouTube is just like middleman. YouTube is just like the distributors. So that channel that you are creating have audience. If YouTube have not started distributing it to the right audience, just know that you have not packaged it well. Because if the company producing this water did not package it well, the distributors will not distribute. In my videos, I've been showing you lately the small things that you need to be doing in your channel so that your videos will be going viral. But this is the basics. The basics is what? Your content. So I always say it, your content first. If your content is not good, people are not going to watch. I don't know if you're getting me. Now, let us come to the practical aspect of it. Take a look at this water. Take a look at this water very well. So now, this is your content. The water inside this container is your content. Are you getting me? So this is your packaging. This is your thumbnail. This is what people see first. You know, this container, they cover everything. Can be your title and your description. You know, this is your title and your thumbnail. Now, this is what people see first before they even open this water to drink it. This thing being your thumbnail means that it needs to catch audience immediately. Even if I'm looking at this water from afar, even if I'm looking at it from afar, I've already know that the company that owns this water. So even if somebody is looking at your thumbnail from afar, that person should be able to know that this is this person's video. This is Mr. A's video. This is Mr. B's video. So your thumbnail is part of your branding. I don't know if you're getting me. So you have to pay attention because that is what people see first. Do you know that you can have a good content, but if your thumbnail is not good, people are not going to watch it? Now, the water inside this container is your content. Let's assume I purchased this water now and I opened the water to drink. Why did I purchase this water? Because first of all, are you seeing the rubber they used to put this water? This container is transparent so that you'll be able to identify that it is water that is inside this place. So you have to make your thumbnail, your title and description to describe what you have inside your container. Your title and your thumbnail should be transparent enough to describe what you have inside the container. Now, had it been I buy this water now, open the water and drink, and it was tasting salty or like soda, there is a very big possibility that I'm not going to patronize these people again. But if I buy, it is colorless and odorless, just like water is, I will be patronizing these people. That brings us to what is called clickbait on YouTube. If you design your thumbnail very well, do your title very well, just to clickbait people, but maybe your content is saying different thing from what people can see here, that is called clickbait. People are not going to watch the video for long. Not watching for long will now bring you to what we call low audience retention. and the low audience retention can lead to low watch hour. But if everything, your thumbnail, your title, your description, everything is okay, including your tags. The tags are those secret keywords that you put inside your channel that even the viewers cannot see, but only you. That tags can be linking to the alkaline. I don't know anything that is used to treat this water to make it odorless and colorless. Are you getting my point? So those things can be your tags, helping your content to go viral, helping your content to go to people that need it. If maybe YouTube is not distributing your content to the right audience, just know that you have not packaged it very well. That is why they are sending it to the wrong people, or people that are not thirsty. The reason why I use water to describe this thing is because water is general, something that everybody drinks. Take this water now and linking it to your channel and ask yourself, why is YouTube not taking my content to the right audience? Check your channel. Is it your thumbnail? Is it your title? Is it your packaging? Like I told you, if the manufacturers of this water did not finish the work they have to do here, the distributors cannot come and carry and be distributing to people, which means they cannot carry this water now and start distributing without putting this label. They cannot carry this water and start distributing when they have not caught this. Are you getting my point? So if YouTube are not distributing your videos, that means there are many things that you have not packaged. You are 80% responsible for every result you are getting now. The YouTube 20% is what? Taking your content to the right audience. So what did I say? You as a producer, you as the channel owner, you as the person that created the channel, make out time and study your content. Know why your content is not going viral. So now, all these small, turn this one on, turn this one off are just settings that you need to do in order for YouTube to understand what you are doing. So that is you designing this thing like this, making sure that you did not use black container, because when you use black container to put water, from afar, people will not believe or understand that the thing inside this thing is water. But putting it on a transparent, because water is colorless and odorless, putting it in a transparent container, people have already known from afar that water is inside this container and not Coke. So why I want to use this thing to describe YouTube for you is that so that you will really understand what YouTube is. YouTube is not magic, it's a process. Anyhow you treat YouTube is how YouTube is going to treat you. So go back to your channel, scrutinize your channel, look at your videos. What is it that you are not doing well? Where are you getting it wrong? Why are the distributors not distributing your videos? Because the only thing that is holding you back is that distributing. Distributing means taking your videos to the right audience. Now, when finally you are done cooking your content, packaging it very well, your title, everything, make sure that no one is missing. Like I told you, if you did not put thumbnail, if you did not put this label, the distributors will not distribute, because they will know that the content is not ready. The product is not ready to be distributed. So why then are you posting without thumbnail? Why then are you posting without a catchy title? And you want them to distribute, even if they do not distribute. Look at how they work. Once they distribute, and they see that people are not buying, they will stop distributing. Are you getting me? So make your content to be good so that you will have referrals. Make your products to be good so that you will have referrals. Make your content to be good so that you will have subscribers. Now, if maybe somebody buys this water, take the water, and the water is okay, that person can ask, please, where did you get this water? I want to buy. Say, okay, go to this place, you will buy it. That is what is called referral. Someone finished watching your video, click on the like button and share your video. Sharing that video is what is called referral. So this particular YouTube store was built on the concept of chain of distribution. You have to help them to help you. So that is what YouTube actually means. I've break everything down for you now using this table water. I don't know if you're getting me. If you still didn't understand it that way, you can take, for instance, someone that opened a new shop. Now, you opened a new shop and you are expecting to start having millions of customers just from that day. It doesn't work like that. First of all, that your shop you opened, so many people don't even know that that shop is existing. It is through the sampling of your goods, through understanding your customer, interacting with your customers. I don't know if you're getting me. Checking your competition and trying to know what you are going to do different. Let's assume maybe everybody's goods are higher in price. You can look for where to get it cheaper so you can sell at cheaper rate in order to attract more customers to you. And whenever a customer comes to your place and purchase a goods and the person is satisfied with your service, this thing can be linked to service. The person is satisfied with your service, that person can equally go and tell another person, if you want to get the best quality of this particular product, go to that shop that is close by, that new one that just opened. That is how people share your video. Sharing your video is like telling another person that this content is good and I equally want you to consume it. Are you understanding my points now? So stop seeing YouTube as one kind, the big YouTube don't love me, YouTube don't push my content, I want to quit, I want to have tried my best. No. Their job as YouTube is just simple, taking your content to the right audience. And that is what is called algorithm. And that is what is also called the YouTube recommendation system. I've made a video about recommendation where I explain recommendation like an 8-year-old baby so you will understand how recommendation actually works. I've made the video on how to upload videos. So go to my playlist, you start watching those videos small. Now that you have actually understand what YouTube is all about. Stop blaming YouTube for your low views. Their work for you is very minor. The work of the distributor. You, the owner of the company, have the 80% responsibility to make your content look nice so that when the distributors take it to the right audience, they will purchase, click share, refer, and equally come back to purchase again. Thank you very much, and I hope that you understand everything that I just said now. And I also believe that you will start applying it bit by bit now that you have get the general knowledge of what YouTube is all about. YouTube is not magic, it's just a process, and you need to pass that process. You cannot skip the process. You cannot trick YouTube. Even if you trick YouTube, it will just be for a short while. On a long run, they will still come back. So you have to follow it the way it should be followed, because YouTube have been here for years. They've been doing this monetization stuff for years. So any strategy or trick that you want to apply now, they have already put it inside consideration before creating this platform. Go ahead and keep improving in your content. One day your video is going to boom, and it's only one video that will change the story of your channel. So make sure that you apply the same energy that you use in creating video A to video B. I don't know if you're getting me. So maintain it and be consistent with your posting. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you on my next video.